This guys are doing a trend challenge, and you wouldn't expect what's going to happen at the end.
Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and refined. Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and refined.
Nerf the Mega Knight.
Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and refined.
Nerf the Mega Knight.
Tell me which one is your favorite in the comments.
Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and refined.
Nerf the Mega Knight.
Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, and refined.
Nerf the Mega Knight.
What is your rating for this challenge from 1 to 10?